Another excellent fall day. Welcome to my workshop. It is a mess. I'm trying to clean it up, organize stuff. This is a project I've been working on. It's a 1923 South Bend lathe. If I go over here, you can see the serial number on the bed. Basically, what I've been doing is taking it completely apart, and then taking the cast iron parts and putting Bondo over them, sanding the Bondo, and then putting primer and sanding the primer. An example of this is this piece right here. You can see that there's some Bondo and some primer. At first I was using oil-based paint, putting that on and sanding it, and it's way too much work and it doesn't provide the finish that I was going after. The reason this project started was I was using the machine incorrectly and I seized the bearings. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some score marks in there. And looking online, these are actually not that bad. But here's an example of the cast iron piece. And it looks good, but it's not perfectly smooth. I was looking for something that was just glossy black to show off the lines and curves of the machine. But I ordered through eBay a used part, and the bearings were in pretty good condition, but I honed them out and polished the main shaft. For the metal parts, I polished them, basically a lot of sanding and then buffing to make them look really shiny. For example, some of these aluminum parts here have been polished. They could be polished a little bit more. I also ordered a rebuild kit to replace the felt wicks and some of the bearings, and it runs a lot smoother than it used to. Right now I have it in the back gears, the slowest speed, and before it was really loud. Probably the loudest thing on this machine right now is the motor. I need to probably replace some bearings in the motor, or it's just a naturally loud motor. It's a permanent magnet DC motor from a treadmill at 2 horsepower. I still need to figure out a way to control the speed of it. I have an idea to do this using pulse width modulation, so I can use some RC airplane controls to do this. But this is what it sounds like. If I disengage the back gears, and let's see if I can do this with one hand. I don't think I can. Okay. Alright, the back gears have been disengaged. Then if I disengage the power feed,